Oh, it's a lovely day today, and look what's going on over here. So, after having the car on the road for about a month, I decided I was going to change the rear tyres. That's what we're getting ready to do, so I thought I'd fry these ones a little bit. What do you reckon? And got me a couple Cameron, Adam and Alex. Say hello. So they're going to help me out today. We're going to blow these tyres off the rims. We're going to try anyway. It's only got like 3 horsepower, so they may not come off. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed the skid action. So basically what I went from a 25 series up to a 35 series. Just you see the difference. Fitment's pretty much on point now. A bit more meat in the back too. So anyway, that's about it guys. So I hope you liked the Burnout vid. Give me a like and subscribe, and sorry for the noise in here. But yeah, peace out, appreciate you guys.